Are you tired of spending too much time and money on washing your dirty kitchen cloths? Well, worry no more. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to remove all stains from your dirty cloths without even rubbing them. To get started, all you need is a bucket and a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, add a tablespoon of detergent to the bucket. You can use any detergent you prefer. Next, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. The last ingredient we'll be using is lemon. We'll be using 2 lemons for this mixture. The acidity contained in the lemon is essential for this mixture to work effectively. After squeezing all the liquid out of the lemons, add the dirty cloths to the bucket. Remember, the more cloths you use, the more you'll need to increase the amount of ingredients. Now it's time to add 1 liter of hot water to the bucket. Mix it well to dilute all the ingredients. Finally, let it rest for 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove all the excess liquid from the bucket. You'll notice that all the dirt has come out without even rubbing the cloths. Your cloths will be as clean as new, without any grease or dirt stuck to them. The effervescent contact between the lemon and baking soda is responsible for the effectiveness of this mixture that removes all dirt. And the best part, you don't even have to rub the cloths. So go ahead and try this tip at home. You'll be surprised at how effective it is at cleaning your dirty kitchen cloths. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this tip useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. See you in the next video. Bye.